Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change a Skype password. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on a PC, go to the search bar and type in Skype. Hit enter and click on www.skype.com search result. Here, you will see this page and on this page, you'll have to basically click on the sign out button if you're already signed into your account. Now after signing out, you will see a sign in button at the top right. Here, you'll have to click on My Account button. After you click on My Account, you will see this page where you'll have to enter your email, phone or Skype ID in this section. So, enter your email ID with which you have created your Skype account, then click on Next. After that, you'll have to click on this Forgot Password link in this password section and it is going to take you to this page. Here, they will need to verify your identity. So, you can choose whether you would like to get your security code on your mobile phone. If yes, select this and click on Get Code button. Now, enter the last 4 digits of your phone number. Then, click on Get Code. After this, you'll have to solve this CAPTCHA. Click on Next, then solve the CAPTCHA. Now, you will get a verification code on your mobile phone. So enter the verification code in this field, then click on Next. After you click on Next, you will see these two fields where you'll have to enter your new password and re-enter your new password. So enter your new password that you want to change to and click on Next. Now, when you click on Next, you will see your password has been changed. Now you can click on the sign in button and enter your email, then enter your new password and you'd be successfully able to log in to Skype using your new password. So that's how you change password on Skype. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.